Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. It is June 27th, 2023. Time to clock in and see if we can find a price action setup. So, actually I've been thinking, I've just been throwing that out there, price action setups, price action trades, and I've been thinking that people who haven't been following this channel, or maybe this is your first time watching this video, you have no idea what I'm talking about when I say price action. I've also been just thinking like, maybe a lot of people have no idea what I'm talking about when I say price action trading. Because they have no idea what price action is. Sometimes I run around saying price action like everybody knows what price action trading is, where really most people don't know what price action trading is, and that's why most people struggle to trade. So when I talk about price action setups, I'm just talking about a particular trade that I look for, or that not just me, but people who trade price action. There's certain setups that we know happen each and every day. So when you're talking about setups for trades, that's what we're referring to. But when I talk about price action trading, I'm talking about the ability to look at a price chart, a bear price chart with nothing but a 21 EMA on it, and determine where the prices is in what's called a market cycle. If you understand the market cycle, then you can track prices until it gets to a situation that you want, where a price action setup should produce. And after you track the market, and if you finally see your setup, you take it. And that's a price action setup by using price action trading. So price action trading is just the ability to track the market as it moves, because you understand the market cycle, and then you understand where certain setups will happen. So if this is your first time watching, that's an intro to price action trading, and let's see what we can find. We only had one stacked up from yesterday. AudiCat, there's nothing going on. I can unstar that and start from scratch. AudiCat just been trending down. Audi Swiss already broke out. It's trending pretty strong now. That's a pretty nice way away from EMA. That's gonna make a pattern soon to come back down, but it's not the look I've been trading this week. Something like this is kind of interesting. Just gonna box it up just so we can see what it looks like, but we can see this is the top, and the bottom is, I really don't know. I mean, it would be really way down here. So we've had this touch off the top with a 1. Problem here, this thing looks just like yesterday. The problem with this setup is that we have not had a trend break yet. It just shot straight up. Now, if we had a trend break here, didn't retest, it'd be nicer. But yeah, this still does look like it's finna head lower. But yeah, without having that trend break, I'll be a little nervous, but I'm definitely gonna start and let's see what happens. All right, Euro USD, what you been doing today? You look like you on a range. Let's mark this up. This will be a dollar strength entry too. We love those. So that's the top. This is the bottom. We have a trend up, trend break, retest new highs. We also have a falling hammer coming. I mean, we got a great entry there. We are a nice distance away from the EMA. What I saw here is that we pushed up. We've already had a trend up, trend break, retest. They got to these highs and saw extreme rejection. So we're expecting that in the next 10 minutes, we're gonna come to the bottom of this range and we're going with dollar strength. We need some rejection here. We need some rejection. Rejection. Ah, made the new high. This is the breakout pullback. Oh yeah, unfortunately we got caught in the breakout pullback. Rejection. Push down, push down. Closing it low. Closing it low. Closing it low. Rejection, rejection. 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 Come on, rejection. Push down, push down. Get back in that range. Come on, get back in that range. 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 Push up, closing your bottom, closing your bottom, closing your bottom, closing your bottom. Push down, push down. Push down, push down, push down, push down, push down. Break into that range. Break into that range. Push. Push. Get to that EMA. To that EMA. Closing your bottom, closing your bottom, closing your bottom. Closing your bottom, closing your bottom, closing your bottom. Closing your bottom. Closing your bottom. Final candle. Push down, push down, push down, push down. Push down, 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 push down. What a way to keep the win streak going, people. Now this is our 5-minute setup. Let's switch gears. Okay. Like what we're seeing so far. We're still coming off the top. Now we got the high, push down, pull back, lower high entry. So we already took the 10-minute setup. Now this is the 5-minute setup. Ooh, signal candle got too big. Signal candle is slightly too, got a good signal candle, but it's got the gap up. So I'm not going to press it. So that's the trade for today. So it was a little tight. All right, it was a little tight. Again, 10 minutes proved its worth. So, you know, the range is in place. We had 2 touches and a touch on the bottom. So the range was in place, but you know, really on this touch, you would want to see prices come to the bottom, which they didn't. So that may be a sign that there's a lot of strength to go up. This is actually making a first entry, second entry long right here. I'm glad I didn't take that. So we're probably going higher. You know, when my trade didn't work exactly like we expected, that was another sign. So I may have marked this range up too early, just due to what prices are, just looking at what prices are doing right now. Well, maybe not. Maybe we're just going congestion here, and up here it comes. Now this is a real good looking pattern. If this boy closed down here, you definitely got your high, lower high setup. But anyway, we did see the touches. Maybe I pulled the trigger a little fast on that. I'm just glad we came out with the win. But that is what I mean by price action trading and price action setups. So there's the difference. This is a price action setup, but price action trading is knowing that, you know, we've had a trend up, trend break, retest. You know, this should be the start of a reversal. Man, this is a good looking entry right here. But again, I'm gonna call it today. But this is the entry you want. Red, green, red, that's the pattern. Coming off the tops, we got plenty of room to the bottom. That's a good setup. So please like, subscribe, share, and you know, trading is much easier when you understand the market cycle. It's much easier when you understand price action. And you know, price action trading is how I trade, and it's how a lot of successful traders trade. And take a look into it. I think it may make the difference for you if you've been struggling. Learn how to read a price chart. That's what it really comes down to. So again, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.
We would like to thank you for tuning in to another Increase episode with JD. If you want to learn how to price action trade, please visit www.jdhider.com and you will find his brand new course, IOTS, Price Action Trading System. We thank you again, and as always, we wish you increase on the Sutton.